Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2015 Chevy Silverado LTZ Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z7489X. 44,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this Silverado brand new, white diamond in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. The Silverado seats 5, leather interior. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Custom fit WeatherTech mats throughout. Power sliding rear window, along with rear defrost. Matching fiberglass tonneau cover. The Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate. Backup camera. Parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring. That backup camera is perfect for connecting a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphone's Pandora radio app. Navigation. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Heated as well as ventilated front seats. Plenty of power outlets. And lots of storage in the center console. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror. Homelink transmitter for garage door opener. And power sliding window control. Under the hood, this Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information on this Silverado, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.